In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to Tradingview chart. If you've ever wanted to label a key price level, write a quick reminder about your strategy, or mark the reason behind an entry or exit, adding text is the fastest way to keep your thoughts right on the chart. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. Start by looking at your chart and locating the toolbar on the left side of the screen. This is the Drawing Tools bar, the vertical strip with icons that let you add lines, shapes, and annotations. It runs from top to bottom along the left edge of your chart area. The reason we start here is because Tradingview groups all the annotation features in this panel, so you don't have to dig through menus or leave your chart view. Next, find and click the Text tool under the Annotation section. The icon looks like the letters you'd expect for text, and it's designed for simple, clean notes without arrows or callouts. Choosing the text option ensures you're placing a straightforward label, which is perfect when you just want words on the screen without any extra shapes. Now move your cursor to the spot on the chart where you want your note to appear and click once. Pick a location that makes your message easy to read without covering critical price data or candles you're actively analyzing. The moment you click, a text box will pop up. This box is your editing space, ready for you to type right away. Think of it as anchoring your note to a specific price and time so you can always see the context for your message. Type your text exactly as you want it to appear, then press Enter or Return. Pressing Enter confirms your note and pins it to the chart so it stays visible as you continue your analysis. Keep your message short and clear, something you can understand at a glance when the market is moving quickly. Whether it's a reminder like earnings tomorrow, a label such as daily resistance, or a thought like watch for breakout, pressing Enter makes the note part of your visual workflow. And that's it. You looked at the left side Drawing Tools, selected the text option under Annotation, clicked where you wanted the note, and typed your message before pressing Enter. With just these simple actions, your chart becomes more informative, helping you stay focused and consistent with your plan.